Hello. This video is to explain how we got my truck pulled out of the snow in our driveway. I got it stuck on a dark morning when there was a blizzard, and I had to back into our carport, and it was difficult to see because of the snow was so heavy, and it was dark, and there was snow drifts with the wind blowing. It was a terrible blizzard. So as a result, I backed in. I was not centered in the carport, and I got off to the snowbank and got stuck and tried to drive out, and it wouldn't drive out. So then I drove backwards some more, which resulted in me scraping the side of the post on the carport. So we left it parked for a couple days, and a week ago we pulled it out, and you will see the video to follow of the method we used to pull the pickup truck out of the driveway without any further damage. I scraped the rear fender on the side of the post, so I got some damage to fix. I don't know, it might be $500 to fix from a reasonable body man, and paint from the scratches. But what we did is we used the tractor to pull the truck out, and since the truck was already rubbed up against the post where it sat, we pulled it sideways first with the tractor by wrapping some straps around the tire where there could be no further damage to the truck. We pulled it sideways about 6 inches to clear the post, and then we pulled it straight ahead with the tractor with other straps and chain with our 100 horsepower Kubota tractor, and we pulled the truck out of the driveway. And then I did snow clearing with a loader. So this week so far it's worked well. There's been lots of room to back in, unlike the morning of the blizzard when the snowdrift confused me and I backed into the carport and rubbed up against the post. So this is one of the hazards of driving and traveling and parking in winter weather. I'm grateful that we have a carport to park in, so we don't have to sweep the truck when it's parked in the carport. And I drive my stepson to the bus every morning and home every night. It's a 2-mile drive down a fairly narrow road. However, it's a public road, and we're grateful that the government snowplows come and clear the snow for that 2-mile stretch where there's only 2 residents along that length of road. And then this now is the middle of January, so we've only got another month and a half of winter weather for snow. Okay.
Go.
Bye for now and enjoy the video.
Okay guys, pulling the truck because it's stuck in the snow.
Left side of that other
So this guy are planning what to do.
I don't want to
See that?
anywhere because it's hard to get out.
Yeah.
We don't have
Here, you see this is snow here. It's just outside our yard. Sa labas lang to ng yard namin. At anong nangyari dito? Ayan, kasi doon sa snow drip siya. Yan po ang nangyari. Kaya hihilain. Tinan niyo po gaano kalalim yung na-stuck siya sa snow. Lucky. Malapit ka dyan. Baka umatras pa yan. Magulungan ka dyan.
Damage that
Yeah.
trim,
Okay, nang gulong. Ito. Okay, malapit ko sa akin. Pull out nila tong truck. Sa tulong ng tractor. Ganyan po ang ginagawa pag na-stop. Hindi madali.
Put it in,
Hey, Lucky. Hey. Okay, I think I need to go away. I'm trying to pull out that truck. Now it's starting to pull it out. Oh, it's moving. Moving out. Hey. Now it's pulled out. I need to go down here. It's moving out now. It's out of the stock now. Hindi na siya stock na. Hila na siya. Ang galing. Pero may sira yung side ng truck. Ganyan po pagka inaalis sa na pag na-stop yung truck, ganyan ang ginagawa nila. So Lucky is driving the truck, and my husband is driving the tractor. Oh, alamig po rito. Grrr. Alamig dito sa labas. Maybe it's kidding.